Hi everyone, welcome back to another vlog. Hope you all are keeping safe. In today's video, sharing with you all another beautiful 4-bedroom detached property, and this is from Harron Homes. So stay tuned and watch this video till the end, it could be useful to you. This is the front view of the house. You'll be getting a spacious garage, and there is also two car park space given either in the front of the house or towards the side. The location details are shared in here. For further queries, you can contact their website. Now going with the floor plans. In the ground floor, you have a garage, 2 living rooms, kitchen with dining, utility, and a water closet. On the first floor, you have 4 bedrooms with 2 bedrooms having the ensuite facilities and a common bathroom. Now as you enter the house, you'll find a spacious hall with different partitions made. Towards the first floor, living room and also kitchen and dining behind. So let's begin with the living room first. The properties from Harron Homes are really good. They're quite spacious, bright and airy. Now if you look at this living room, it's quite spacious. 2 to 3 sofa sets can fit in easily and there's plenty of room space to walk around. Towards the front, you're getting a beautiful bay window. So plenty of light and very good air movement in the room. Even towards the entrance side, there is very good space and a sofa set fits in. And actually it's not blocking the way, which is quite good. Overall, a very decent living room. As I told you in the beginning, you're getting 2 living rooms in this property and this is the biggest one. The other one is coming just behind it, which I'll be sharing with you all later. So this is all about the living room. Now let's move to the other rooms of the house. Just as you come out of this living room, in front of you you'll find the staircase which is leading to first floor. And behind you'll find the kitchen with dining. And there's also another living room just beside it. So let's explore the kitchen first. It's a beautiful lengthy open kitchen which is quite bright and airy. You also have the garden access through French doors given in here. Now towards one side of this kitchen and dining, you're getting another living room, and towards the other side you have a utility and the washroom. Now just exploring the kitchen area, you have plenty of cupboards given at the bottom and even on the top. The design of these cupboards at the top are a little different, and the space also is quite good inside. You're also getting the oven and integrated fridge and freezer towards this side. The kitchen looks quite stylish and different. I really like the idea of giving the gas hob towards the front here. The exhaust also looks very beautiful hanging in between. I've seen similar kitchens even in some of the Indian houses. You feel very connected to the living areas. And as you're getting one more window towards this side, it's quite bright and beautiful. And towards the other end, you're getting your utility and the washroom. So let's explore them now. It's a nice utility with very good space. You have washing machine and dryer given in here. And there are a few cupboards on the top as well. There are 2 doors in this utility, one leading towards the garden and the other door, I think it should be leading towards the garage here. At the moment it's locked. And this is the washroom here in this ground floor. You have the water closet, sink, and there's also a window towards one side. Now let's move towards the dining space and also the second living room. Now since it's an open kitchen, you have good space towards the other end which is converted into the dining area. And from here you also have the garden access through these French doors here. It's a beautiful garden space, fully fenced around. but at the moment we cannot access it. So let's explore the second living area. It's a beautiful room with very good space. You also have a very big window given towards one side, which is actually facing the garden behind. So sofa set and TV set can fit in easily, and there's good room space to walk around. You can actually convert it as your workspace or study, anything you want to. If it was me, I would make it into a dining hall actually. If you feel the dining space is small, then you can actually convert it into your dining room as well. So it's totally up to you. You can convert this space in whatever way you want to, but it's really beautiful. So this is all about the ground floor. Now let's explore the first floor. As I told you, on the first floor we have 4 bedrooms with 2 bedrooms having the ensuite facilities and a family bathroom. Now on the first floor you have very beautiful and big window with plenty of light falling on the corridor. Since you have 2 bathrooms attached to the bedrooms, it's really confusing which is the master bedroom. So this is the master bedroom. It's quite spacious compared to all the other rooms. You have a beautiful window towards one side, so plenty of light and air movement in the room. Towards the other side you have the wardrobe section. It's actually in the U shape, quite spacious and beautiful. And towards the front end you have the attached bathroom. The height and design of the room are really good. Even after having the double cot, you have very good room space to walk around. You can easily plan a dressing table in front of the cot and still you got enough room space. And this is the wardrobe section here. It's actually given in the U shape and there's a lot of space inside. And it's planned in such a way that it's actually not disturbing the room space, which is quite good. Now moving towards the bathroom. This is quite a lengthy bathroom. You have the water closet, sink and also the walk-in shower. The space is also quite okay. They also gave a window towards one side, so you have the natural light and ventilation. This is all about the master bedroom. Now let's move to the other rooms of the house. So just beside the master bedroom you have the second bedroom. This has got the ensuite again. It's a double bedroom. So after having the double cot you still have a very good room space to walk around. But the size of this room is comparatively smaller than the master bedroom. Towards one side you have a beautiful window with plenty of light and air movement. And you also get the front view of the house through these windows here. There's a wardrobe given in the front here and you have good space inside. Overall a decent room with good space. And towards the other side you have the attached bathroom. There's a sink, water closet and walk-in shower given in here. This is a fully tiled bathroom. You also have a window towards one side. So lots of natural light and good air movement. This is all about the second bedroom of the house. Now moving ahead, you will find a small room with door and lock, and inside this you have the water heater. Just opposite to this little room in the corridor you'll find those big windows with plenty of light falling inside the house. This natural light falling inside makes the house look more beautiful. You have the 2 bedrooms given towards the other side, and in between you have the family bathroom. Now in this family bathroom you again have very good space. This is fully tiled bathroom. You have the bathtub, water closet, sink, and they're actually giving one more walk-in shower here. So this is all planned in a good way actually. You still have the walk-in shower and also the tub, and you also get a good window towards one side, so again natural light falling in. So just beside this family bathroom you have 2 double bedrooms of the house, and the corridor space in between is also quite good. So this is the 3rd bedroom of the house. This is a double bedroom. You have very good space. A double cot fits in and you can walk around. You can use it as your kids' room, study room, computer, anything you want to. Towards one side you have a very good window with plenty of light and air movement. You have the garden view through this window here. Actually, they didn't provide any wardrobes in this room. If you want, you can go for one. This is all about the 3rd bedroom. Let's move to the 4th bedroom of the house. So just beside this you have the 4th bedroom. Again, this has got a good space. A cot fits in and you can walk around. There's a window towards one side with the garden view. They also gave a wardrobe towards the other side. It's an optional again. If you want, you can go for one or just leave it plain. This can be used as a kids' room or storeroom, computer room, anything you want to. They decorated all the rooms in this house very well, and the good thing is so much of natural light falling in every room. We covered all the rooms in this property. Let's go downstairs and explore the front view and also the garage. This is the front view of the house. You're getting a double garage towards one side. Since it's a show home, they planted a small garden in the front, but otherwise you'll get 2 car park space provided in the front or towards the side. And all these models are detached properties, so you'll have space around your house. This is all for today. I hope you liked watching my today's video. Do give me your suggestions and feedback in the comment section. I would love to hear from you. Also, if you're watching my channel for the first time and if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure to hit that subscribe button and feel free to activate the bell icon at the bottom so that you won't miss out on my future uploads. Stay safe, stay connected. See you in another vlog.